Today I'm going to make my baked falafels from my baby and family recipe book. Perfect as a finger food for baby and as a delicious lunch for the family. So to a blender you're going to add 2 tins of chickpeas, 1 onion, 2 garlic cloves, parsley, some coriander and some cumin, and then 3 tablespoons of olive oil. So blend until combined but not completely smooth. Form the mixture into bowls and then bake the falafels in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes and then turn halfway around.